Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Arduino based vehicle accident and alcohol detection system using GSM, GPS and SMS notification alert. So we are getting the alert messages, right accident, alcohol detection, front accident. So with Google Map location, if you press it, we will get the exact Google Map location, SVS embedded. So let us coming into the block diagram. 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, and it's convert to 5 volts pure DC output connected to the Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board. GPS GY662 GPS module connected to the third pin. External serial communication, so it will track the latitude longitude from the satellite exact location. GSM SIM 900A or 800C, so connected with RX TX 0 and 1. So alarm connected to the 7th pin. MQ3 alcohol sensor connected to the A2. EDXL 335 accelerometer sensor connected with X coordinate, Y coordinate connected to the analog pins of A0, A1. 16x2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers, and one L293D driver IC, quadrupole HBG driver IC for DC motor driving purpose. Those are connected with motor 1 and motor 2 connected to the 5 and 6 PWM pin numbers. So this is our total block diagram of the project. And let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using and connected to the GSM module. So here we are using GSM SIM 900A. So SIM card insertion, press down, SIM card will come outside. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. Slowly insert the SIM card. So okay, slowly, and press it. Okay, lock the SIM card. Okay, lock the SIM card. Press down, unlock, slowly press it, lock the SIM card. Okay, GSM SIM 900A. Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board, and here is the reset button. Restart the kit. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. And here we are using 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Those pin numbers are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And MQ3 alcohol sensor connected to the A2. Okay, and ADXL 335 accelerometer sensor connected with A0, A1. L293D driver IC, quadrupole HBG driver IC for DC motor driving purpose. So here we are using two motors. Okay, two wheels and two motors. Okay, and press restart. And here we are using GPS GY6MV2 GPS module, GPS antenna, and one alarm button, reset button, Arduino Uno R3 board. So now we are waiting for the GPS. So press reset. Arduino based vehicle accident alcohol detection and alert system using GPS GY SMS notification alert. So we will wait for the GPS signal. Once the GPS signal comes, so we will get the exact location. Otherwise there is another option is there. If you press down, it will come your exact location. This is for the exact GPS location. Okay, latitude longitude value came. GPS LED is on and off. GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem. Initialized successfully, and motor rotating started. Okay, motor rotated started. So now I am going to bend one side, left accident. Okay, left side bending, left accident detected. It will check 2 times. If it is minor accident, you can press reset button. If it is a major accident, it will send the SMS alert. Okay, so left accident sending SMS 1. We will get the SMS alert here. It will tell you message sent. Yeah, message sent. We will receive the SMS alert here. Yeah, left accident ticket detected, latitude point, longitude point, and the location place. Press it. It will show you on the Google Maps. Okay, and message sent. Okay, alcohol detected, alcohol sensing. Okay, MQ3 alcohol sensor. Yeah, alcohol detected. Sending SMS 1. Sending SMS 1. 2 SMS, one for me, other one is the student number. Message sent. Yeah, alcohol detected. Vehicle location place, latitude point, longitude point. Sending SMS 2. Message sent. GSM SIM 900A power supply board, ADXL 335 accelerometer sensor. Okay, so now I am bending one side. Yeah, back accident. Vehicle location place. If it is press reset button. Okay, now I am pressing restart button. It will start from the main point. There is no SMS alert, so it is minor accident. Okay, GSM model, power supply board, ADXL 335 accelerometer, MQ3 alcohol sensor, L293D driver IC, GPS module, and alarm. Okay, Arduino Uno R3. Okay, yeah, back accident detected. Okay, alcohol detected, left accident detected, right accident detected. Okay, now we will check for the back accident. Sending SMS 1. Message sent. We will get the SMS alert here. Yeah, message sent, message received. Message sent. Thank you. Okay, normal alcohol. I will interchange front to back, back to front. Okay, so sending SMS 1. Message sent 1. Message sent. Yeah, okay, thank you. Message sent. Normal. Okay, alcohol detected.